What's up guys? Now today we are going to do the review of this pen, and this is basically what comes inside the package. 0.35, I think this is millimeter pen. So this is what comes inside. There are basically 12 of them in here. So I basically have these set of 6 right here and these set of 6 inside. So these are what basically come inside the package. So these pens are basically plastic, and as you guys can see, it has a very fine point, as you guys can see right here. Point is very fine, as you guys can see the point right there. So basically this head right here can basically tuck onto right here, fit perfectly fine, and basically made from plastic, so you feel pretty comfortable when you hold it like this. So I'm just going to write and test it out to show you guys how it basically look. So basically write neat, as you guys can see, and the point is very fine, which is impressive. And you feel pretty comfortable actually when you're writing. As I can see guys, the point is basically really fine, and it writes pretty neat and comfortable. So basically, as you guys see right there, it feels pretty comfortable and neat. It uses the draw line perfectly. So guys, I love how this pen actually feel. As you guys can see right now with this pen right here, and this basically can tuck onto right here. And I love basically how it come with this clip right here that can put in your pencil case or anything like that. Basically can write guys very fine. So guys, basically write very good, can see right there. So guys, that's basically it. I love how it basically write, and I hope you guys love it too. These are the pen, and I hope you guys find it very useful.